Hello. I'm going to show how stage definitions work in custom security policy YAML. So I'm here on my demo group, which has 3 projects, one for the security policy, one to test the whole thing, and one that holds the CI config that the security policy is going to use. So I can go here now and edit this CI file. As a variable, I'm not sure if it's used anywhere, but yeah, let's keep it. I can add a new job here. Let's say we want to have a job that runs on a different stage called custom. Just put like this. And that will be on the stage custom. And then let's have it print some text again. Okay. So there are a few stages that we define by default. Test, for example, and also build and deploy and so on. But if we want to define a custom stage, we have to use the stages keyword. And this will be an array, and we can define custom here. We don't have to define test because the default stages will be available anyway. And let's also define another one. And I think this one shouldn't show up in the pipeline view because it only shows the stages that actually have jobs. Okay, let's commit this. Right. And then let's make sure the security policy is actually using the CI. Oh yeah, we use different ref here. We're going to remove this. Okay, and now my test project should have the custom stage in the pipeline. Starting the pipeline. And there we go. So the test stage is still there, and here's our custom stage. So let's say the project also defines a custom stage. So we're going to edit the project CI and also add stages here. Project custom stage. Okay. And this should do pretty much the same. So the stages should be merged. Oh, wait, there's something invalid. Ah, okay. So it seems like if I, yeah, this makes sense. If I define if I define stages in the project CI, it expects me to define all the stages. So this will remove the default stages and override it with this one. So I also have to define test here. Usually this would be the same for security policy YAML, but I decided to put the default stages back in because if we use the security policy, we don't know what the project YAML look, and so we can assume the projects, if they don't define stages, they probably use the default one. So this is why the default stages still work for security policies, even though they define custom stages. Okay, now it should work. Let's check the pipelines. And here we go. There's our test stage, the project custom stage, and this one is the security policy stage. The security policies one will always be added to the end of the stages, except for the edge stages. I can show this in a second. So edge stages are pre and post. So I can add new jobs here. This will be pre. Oh, the order doesn't matter here. Okay, here we go. So pre and post will always be at the beginning or at the end. And then the project stages will come and then the security policy stages. Yeah, and this brings up a question because yeah, it's hard to merge the order. Like let's say the project defines the same stages as the security policy, but in a different order. I think what it will probably do. Well, let's have a look. Let's see how this will behave. Okay, so we have, let's say we have stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. And then we have 3 jobs for all the stages. 2, 3, like this. Then I'll copy this and go back to the CI file. And then we put them, let's give them a different name. So let's say we put them in reverse order. 2, 3, 2, 1. And let's see which order wins. Okay, it seems like the project order wins. We might want to do this the other way around. Yeah, but this one question that came up is how do we do ordering? Which one should take precedence? And is it okay to apply the policy stages after the custom project stages? And what would be the right behavior? But I think maybe these are all edge cases. Maybe we can rely on the projects to use mostly the default stages, and then or if we or if a project use custom stages, we can like maybe redefine them in security policies and then also add to our stages. And then if security policy stages take precedence, the security policy can decide on the order. Yeah, but I'm not sure how important order is at all, and if this whole makes sense. Thanks for